What's up, you Tizzle? Hefe in Hefe's Fish Room, coming to you with my last shipment. Minus my 6mm pellets, those are coming sometime this week, as I keep telling y'all, but this is the last big shipment anyway. Here are those foam sponge filters I was talking about. They're reticulated. Y'all can see the difference. Minus the color, it's actually a coarser foam. And the tube is a little bit shorter. Filter, about the same capacity, 80, 90, 100 gallons. And to go with all 6 of those, got the Core Life. Here, there we go. The Core Life 65 liter per minute linear piston air pump. Has an adjustable little flow valve so I can adjust it, and it also comes with some pieces, which is why I chose this one. It comes with some tubing to connect this to this or this, and then it comes with this and this, which is a 4-way or 6-way valve, which is perfect because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sponge filters, and that's 65 liters per minute. So think about per hour and imagine how much water movement we're going to get out of that. Let's see. Here I actually got 3 packs of these. These are just little mounting bracket things so I can run the line, that little 1/4-inch line there, so I can run it and make it look installed and not have it hang in everywhere because I'm running across my ceiling. And after I already paid for these, I may end up running it through the attic. I know. But anyways, on to the next item. I got my pressure regulator, which maintains 30 psi, I think it was. Yeah, 30 psi. Basically what you do is you screw it onto a spigot, which is that, and then it turns it into a 1/4-inch thing that the tube can go in. Give y'all a little shot. There's some assembly required, it says. I don't know how much of assembly that is besides screwing some parts together. Gives you a little diagram of how to put it together, but it's kind of self-explanatory. Then my 1 gallon per hour drippers, or drip emitters, whatever you want to call them. They're kind of, they are smaller than the button drippers, but they both do the same thing. I kind of like these better. I don't know why. I think it's because I could actually get one of those hole puncher things for the tubing and actually punch these through and kind of run them that way if I wanted to. I still haven't decided of how I'm going to actually run the line yet. Besides how it's going to get to the fish room, I have decided that. And then I got a little micro sprinkler assortment kit, which comes with elbows, clamps, more wall clips, multi-dripper, stream, tees, a spinning micro sprinkler. I'm going to hook one of those up just so we can see what that actually does. That's interesting. And some other things, some bug plugs, some plugs, inline sprinklers, all kinds of stuff. But that's, what I got. And just kind of wanted to clear something up. I think I may have confused, some people with the way I described how I was going to set that up last night. The reason I'm running the 1/2 inch from the spigot to the fish room is because I'm going to have them running into that filter. Now, the same amount of water is going to be coming through because of the pressure regulator, guys. I'm sorry if I confused y'all about that. It wasn't the actual amount of water, it was the volume of water. And what I mean by volume is that amount of water and how long it'll stay in contact with the carbon and any other kind of filter media I'm going to have in those. As y'all know, whenever you have a thicker diameter outlet like that there, the water is going to flow slower out of it, which means more contact time to whatever it's hitting. Now it's going to have the same amount of pressure, but it's going to be flowing slower, if that makes sense. Imagine a water hose, you know, and you just have it running kind of like that there, and you don't have your finger over it or anything. And then imagine going down to this size, which would be, you know, the equivalent of, and I'm just crudely explaining this, guys, putting your finger over it and then it starts squirting. So the water will actually move faster through a smaller diameter tube. The same amount of water will move faster through a smaller diameter tube. So I just wanted to clear that up. I think it may have confused some people. And so that's the reason I'm doing that, is because it's gonna the water is gonna have more contact time with the media that I'm gonna have inside those little smart water filters, whatever. So I'm going to end this with thank you and have a great day. This is what I'm doing. This is what I've done. And let me get my man Micro Machine to say goodbye to y'all. Say bye, Micro Machine. Say bye. Peace out, guys.